Hi friends! Welcome to Mia's Daily English. I'm so excited to learn with you. Let's learn English together. See you soon.
Today Mia's first day at a new school, but she is hiding a feeling inside. She is smiling, but her heart is beating very fast. Will Mia be able to make a new friends? It is a sunny morning in America. Birds are singing. Mia is sitting on her bed, looking worried.
Mom, I don't want to go to school today.
Why, Mia?
I don't know anyone there. What if no one talks to me?
Mia, every friend was once a stranger. Be brave.
Mia walks to school with her dad. Big school building appears. Mia looks scared. So many kids. I feel small.
You can do it, Mia.
Dad waves goodbye. Mia enters school slowly. Inside school is noisy and busy. Children are laughing and running. Mia stands alone. Suddenly, a girl comes.
Hey, are you new?
Yes, I am Mia.
Don't worry, I can show you everything.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Mom Teacher.
Today we will learn basic English words. Let's start with some simple greetings. Are you ready? Repeat after me.
Apple book chair. Apple book chair. Apple book chair. This is easy. I can do it. Do you like school? Now at the desert? Yes. Now I like it. Let's be friends. Yes.
School day ends. Mia walks home happily.
Today was not scary. It was fun.
Mia enters home excited and hugged to Mom.
Mom! Mom! I have something to tell you.
What happened, Mia?
I made a new friend today. Her name is Lucy.
I knew you could do it.
My brave girl.
Mia learned something very important today. New places are not scary. If you are brave, you can make new friends.